Equalization, EQ, is a powerful tool that music producers use to manipulate the frequency content of their recordings and help all of the elements of their production work together sonically. Here are some tips to bear in mind when using EQ in music production. Mix with your ears, not your eyes. EQ plugins on most DAWs show you the frequency response of your track, an analyzer feature so that you can see the changes you're making to your track as you go. But try not to let what you see affect the way you hear the music. Ultimately, it's the sound that's vital. Certain frequencies have special sound characteristics. The human ear can detect frequencies from around 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 20 kHz, the frequency spectrum. Certain frequencies within the spectrum generally have specific sound characteristics. Be radical. Don't be afraid to make drastic cuts or boosts as great as 12 decibels if it makes your mix sound good. You want to make sure that all the tracks blend together as well as possible. Try using EQ in 2 stages when mixing. Split the process up, shaping EQ first, with boosts and cuts, then corrective EQ, which is usually reductions to clear space for other sounds. By putting these moves into 2 separate EQs, you won't lose any shape created before corrective EQ. Don't get wrapped up in EQ when recording. If you're recording live instruments to your track, don't worry too much about perfecting the EQ. Use EQ at this initial stage to get rid of any obvious unwanted frequencies picked up by a mic, but generally as long as there's a good, clean sound, save EQ for your mixing. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.